Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, this is gonna be a rewarding ways cash out video. Right now, you see on my screen right now, I'm on my PayPal balance just to show y'all. I know I'm always at zero, always cashing out and taking my earnings and putting them in different accounts that I have. Alright, so it's on an every single day basis. It's up to you every single day to start getting organized. Once you start making 5, 10, 15, $20 every single day, it's up to you to start getting organized, putting money aside to different things, take care of certain bills, lifetime bills. Like my last video, I paid for my phone bill every year, $600. That's easy. Like online money, $600, take that, pay my phone bill, I never have to pay my phone bill, never have to pay certain bills that I have, right? So you can use this, the same method that I use this, like say if you have a car note and stuff like that, your car note's $300 a month or $400 a month, you make $400 a month online, you take that, you pay your car note, you buy yourself a free car. Like there's different ways that you can do this, right? Right now I'm in my PayPal balance right now, $0. Just to show you, go to my rewarding ways right now. The only reason I showed you the PayPal balance at zero is because what I'm gonna do is I want to a lot of different things, a lot of different a lot of different angles I'm coming with this video. First thing I want to do is this going to be a rewarding ways tutorial, right? Full breakdown tutorial, where to go to make the fastest money, what I use to actually make this money. All right, like I said, nowadays I got a lot of referrals and people are doing things every single day, so I don't have to come in and, like, most of my earnings are coming from my referral earnings. But like I said, watch my first 50 videos. You'll see I had 0 referrals and I was grinding, all right? Grinding, making more money than I'm actually making now. So with this video right here, I'm gonna cash out. I'm gonna do the full tutorial. That's one. Second, I'm gonna show you guys why to always do instant PayPal and how fast it is. We're gonna actually time it right now. All right, we're actually gonna time it right now. So right now you see it's 9:59. All right, you see it's 9:59 right here. As soon as this turns 10 a.m., we're gonna see how long it takes for me to actually convert my points into cash, and then after that, cash it out. All right, so we're gonna see how long it takes. Then I'm gonna go to my PayPal, keep refreshing it every minute or two. I'm gonna go keep refreshing my PayPal, see how long it takes to get in there. All right, so like I said, this is every single day rewarding ways tutorial. Right now, you see my points right here. The way you read this is 2,418. So that's $24.18. Right here is 7.55. So this is $7.55. All right. So $7.55 cash that I have in my account right now, and my point balance is $24.18. All right. See, it's 10 a.m. So let's start right now. All right. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna convert points to cash. So you're gonna come here. This is why I love doing this, because I like showing you guys how reliable these sites are that I am using. This is why I don't show you a whole bunch of different sites. That's why I'll show you 100 sites, because I just use what works. Double down on that and just keep being consistent. If it's consistent and working out every single day all the time, why not? $31.73. All right, first thing I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna go to you're gonna go to rewards. You're gonna go to withdraw cash. All right, you're gonna go withdraw cash. First, you're gonna convert points. That's what we just did. Now you're gonna go withdraw cash. Now you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna go to instant PayPal. All right. PayPal. You can do PayPal if you want, but instant PayPal is always faster. The way it works is when you first cash out, you're gonna have to cash out regular PayPal. I think once you get a couple of cash outs on regular PayPal, they'll open up instant PayPal to you, and then you can use this every single time. All right. One withdrawal per day up to $50. So you can cash out $50 every single day on instant PayPal. It's crazy. $31.73. This is me letting it build. All right. I haven't cashed out in probably maybe a week or 2 weeks or something like that. And $31.73. All right. So I'm going to withdraw this. Once I withdraw the success, your withdrawal request has been added to the pending list. The request will be reviewed, and once verified, it will be sent within 24 hours of request. Now, that was an instant PayPal. It wasn't regular PayPal. Now, once I do this, it's usually in there literally within seconds. All right. So it's 10:01, and let's check right now. So I'm going to go to my PayPal balance. I have this here. I'm going to refresh this. Instantly, people. This is what I mean by instant. You see that? Instantly. Less than a minute. Less than a minute. When I say instant is instant. Less than, how long did that take? I wish I had a timer. If I had a timer, that was probably not even 15 seconds. All right, $31 10 cents transferred into my PayPal balance is within 15 seconds, literally. You see me just click, and I just clicked here. All I did is click it. I read it to you guys, and I clicked over here. All right. All I did is click, enter, read this, and clicked here, and hit refresh, and it's here already. All right. $31.10 in my account right now. And I have my PayPal. Do I have my, I don't got my wallet with me. I don't have my wallet with me. I got my PayPal card in my wallet. So all I got to do is transfer this, and I could use this right now. Like, literally, I could go outside right this second and use this. This is why I'm going to do a lot of videos on that too, because I don't think you guys understand the power of everything that I put together, everything that I figured out, and everything that I'm trying to like show you guys. Everything is like liquid. Like, everything's right now. Like, if it's $10 you got, you can get that right now. I got a PayPal card that I have. Watch my PayPal card video. Use the link in the description. If you need a bank account, you can use a PayPal card. I pay $5 a month for that card. I have no problem paying $5 a month in order to use this whenever I want to. You see what I'm saying? Like, if I didn't have the PayPal card, I could still go online and use PayPal. But this is like me having my PayPal card. Now I have access to cash. Like, I'm liquid, like literally liquid. You know what I'm saying? If I didn't have my PayPal card, I could just order stuff online, you know, through PayPal and stuff like that, whatever. But now that I have my card with me, even though I have to only pay I pay $5 a month. Yeah, that's $60 a year. But I'm willing to pay that. Why? Because I could literally go outside and use this right now. I could go outside, go to the ATM, and take out $31. Well, you know, I could take out 20 and then take out 10. So I could take out $30 out the ATM right now, right this second. All right, and I have a way to do it with no ATM fees. All right, watch my video on that. I'm gonna update a video on that. I forgot to tell you guys that I have so many different videos that I just do small different things to not even have to pay $4 ATM fees, just $2 ATM fees and stuff like that. Taking money out every single day for free. All right, well, not for free, but you know, minimum, like super minimum. All right. It's basically for free. Watch what I'm gonna put that video out next. All right. So $31.10. Real quick. Just show you that instant cash out, 15 seconds. All right, let me go to the let's go to the we're gonna go to our this is gonna be a rewarding ways tutorial. All right, the first step you want to do, all right, where you're gonna want to go to is gonna want to go to earn money offer walls. All right, that's where you're gonna stay at. One thing is, if you have a lot of friends, or you have a big social media, or you're very popular or whatever, share your link. Share your link. You're going to get a link. Share your link. Look, I only have 257 referrals. I only have 250. And referrals don't even really matter, because it's all about your active referrals. Because I could have 20,000 referrals and they not make me a penny because none of them did anything. So it doesn't really matter about the referrals. All about active referrals. And if they're doing something, you get a little small percentage from Rewarding Ways. They'll send you a percentage. You know what I'm saying? For referring that member. All right. So, first step you're going to want to do is go to earn money. First step you want to go to is you're going to want to go to, you're going to go to Say So online surveys. All right. Say So online surveys. The reason why I say this is because I usually go to your surveys first, but go to Say So online surveys, because I've been looking around. I've been talking to members. Members have been hitting me up, and they've been telling me that these are high paid surveys. All right. So, depending on where your demographics are, check this first. All right, it's gonna be a high paid surveys. All right. Now, if they're not high paid surveys, don't worry about it. Your first step is gonna be your surveys. All right. So it's like a bonus step right here. Just like a bonus step just to check out, and it's new. All right, it's a new. All right, you're gonna go to your surveys. All right, your surveys are usually 80 cents a pop. All right, it's usually 80 cents a pop. It's usually unlimited until like a lot of people start really getting on them. So it's usually unlimited for the most part. All right. So you should be able to complete 10 a day. That's 80 cents. So it's $8 a day minimum just from here. All right. Top paid surveys. Check that out. All right. Those are going to be really tap paid surveys. Tap paid surveys are going to be like tap research. It's really called tap research. They just changed it to tap paid. Tap paid surveys is really going to be tap. What do you like? Plastic or glass? What do you like? Red or blue? Do you like this at 8 feet tall or 10 feet tall? Do you like this? You see what I'm saying? They're gonna ask you questions like that, so you're just gonna be answering really quickly. All right. Once you go there, I used to go to Wanna Ads. Wanna Ads is very good too. Wanna Ads is usually you just sign up for offers. All right. Basically, you just sign up for free offers, then they give you points. All right. Sign up to an online calendar, sign up to email newsletter, sign up to this or sign up to that. Sometimes you go to a different site, stay on this site for 10 minutes and stuff like that. Answer these questions, so stuff like that. Worldwide surveys. If you're overseas, always check this out. If you're overseas, all right, always check these out first. All right, overseas. All right, so like if you're in a different country, if you're not in the U.S., always check these out. All right, offer walls. All right, now when you go to offer walls, well, offer walls is basically almost the same thing, but offer walls, they offer more things. What they do is they offer, like, say if you want to sign up to Hulu, or you want to sign up to Netflix or something like that, they'll have money off of that. If you want to buy a certain product or something like that, they'll have money off of that, where you'll buy the product and then you'll get points to your account. All right, stuff like that. All right, but right here they got wall ads. You can watch videos. All right, you always want to watch videos. Always watch videos. Wall ads. You're gonna watch videos on wall ads. You can watch videos on one ads, and you can also watch videos on, where's the third one? Don't tell me they took it off. There's a third one. I don't see it here. I don't see a third one. This is new. I haven't seen this for a while. This is new right here. AdSend. All right, is it AdSend? AdSend. I think I said AdSend. AdSend. Wall ads, and I think they did take it off. They had a different section where you could watch more videos. I think they took that off. I don't see it on here. AdGate is another one too. All right, now what are you doing? All you're doing is watching ads. All right, all you're gonna do is watch ads in certain ways. All right, or are they gonna want you to go to a site? They're gonna have ads playing on the site and stuff like that. All right, Peanut Labs is very, very good for surveys. All right, Peanut Labs is very, very, very good for surveys. All right, so this is real quick, just in case I got too scattered. All right, your step one is going to be, your bonus step one is going to be, check this out first. Why? Because these might have higher paid surveys. If they have higher paid surveys, bang those out first. All right, this is going to be your top number one step. Number one step of your survey is 80 cents a pop. Your second step is going to be tap paid surveys. All right, tap paid surveys, you're going to answer questions very quickly and you're going to fly through it. All right, you're going to fly through questions easily. All right, Wanna ads, that's going to be your third step. Check wanna ad paid surveys. All right, they're very good. It's very smooth. Another thing is, if you're overseas, check out worldwide offers. Now, all these other areas of these surveys, it's up to you to take some time out and go into them once you start making money. I don't want you to do it now and then you start getting frustrated. You don't know how things work, right? I just want you to go to where I know what works. Just bang these out as much as you can. Your surveys, tap paid. Watch my how to learn how to do surveys video. I'm gonna put another update on learn how to do surveys video. But when you're doing it, you just want to keep going. Like, you might get kicked out of 2 surveys to complete 1. All right, so don't get frustrated. Don't get upset. That's just how it is sometimes. All right. Then you're gonna go to offer walls. Always check out Peanut Labs. Always check out Peanut Labs. Always check out wall ads and AdSend Media. All right, run those videos. Sometimes you could go to AdSend Media, run videos in the background on a different window while you're over here doing surveys. All right, so you could do different things. All right, it's up to you on an every single day basis. All right, $31.10, $31.10 in my account immediately. RewardingWays cash out tutorial, full breakdown. Watch my other videos. I give you different tips and tricks about Rewarding Ways. All right, it's up to you. It's about every single day. No days off. It's about every single day. Even if you make $3, $5 a day, you're still making some income after 5, 6 months, 10 months. You're gonna be able to do something with that money. Don't waste this money on frivolous things. All right, use this money on things that actually matter, or use the money on bills that have to get paid, that you cannot not pay. You have to pay rent. You gotta pay electricity. You gotta pay your phone bill. These are things you have to pay for. So try to take that money, this money I'm teaching you how to make, and use it to pay that off. So that way you have extra side income every single day. All right. So it's every single day. Keep grinding. Stay focused on an every single day basis. All right. $31.10 cash out. Rewarding Ways. All right. Full tutorial. Ask me anything in the comments below. Ask me anything. I'm super transparent. Follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Show me some love. All right. I'm really teaching you guys how to make money every single day. I have big time opportunities for us. All right. Big time opportunities for us, but you're going to have to really put some big time money aside. All right. I'm talking 30, 40, 50 grand. Like, really put some big time money aside, and we're going to make some big things happen. All right. Free online money maker signing out. Peace.